Hi friends, let us make this very tasty and delicious fried rice just using your veggies, your beef liver and your shrimps in less than 2 minutes. These are the basic ingredients you'll be needing, just straight to the point. If you have a leftover meat stock, you could use it to cook your rice. I'm using a basmati rice. I just washed it and added it there. If you have a leftover white rice, that is perfect. Some people prefer using a white rice that have sat in the fridge for a while, so it's just your choice. Just add the oil, fry your onion, your cooked shrimps, let it fry for a while, add your frozen veggies, add your spiced fried beef liver and just let them sit there for a while. Then you can add spices of your choice, seasoning cube. I added seasoning cube, curry, thyme, ginger, garlic, salt and some all-purpose seasoning, and it came out just fine. Mind the amount of seasoning you put at this point if you use the beef stock to cook your rice, and that is all you'll be needing. I have to separate these because I love it when my rice is well mixed. I'll show you guys how I did it just here, and this is where I added the remaining half and I mixed it tenderly and graciously. And yeah, this is it. Already very easy, just easy steps. I feel fried rice is a very easy food to cook if you just have what you need at home. It's not stressful, doesn't really consume much, doesn't need much oil, and it's just a perfect meal you can have anytime, any day. So yeah, this is my fried rice. Tell me, would you be trying this at home or do you prefer to eat outside? As for me, I love my fried rice home cooked. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.